Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I go by the name of guys. So in this new video, guys, we're going to be using grass clippings, guys, to mulch our spinaches, guys. So in this section, guys, I've already planted some rape spinach. So what we're going to do, guys, is to apply this grass clippings, guys. So normally I get these grass clippings from people who make broomsticks here in South Africa. So what we're going to do right now, guys, is break them and then put them in here, guys, as you can see. So I'm going to take you a little bit closer so that you can see for yourself how I do this on a regular basis. This is very simple, quick and easy, guys. So the mulch helps us with preserving water, and also, guys, it helps us to make the soil to be fertile, guys. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So a couple of days ago, guys, I transplanted some rape spinach in these sacks, guys. So what we're going to do here, guys, is apply the mulch that I spoke about, guys. So like I said, guys, very short, quick and easy. We are going to protect our spinaches with this mulch, guys, so that when the sun is hot, the soil doesn't dry up very easily. And also, guys, there are many beneficial impacts about this mulch, guys. So let's say maybe you have birds that are eating your worms in your soil. You can just put your mulch here so that when they come, they don't come through and eat your worms in your soil, guys. So on a very hot summer, we mulch like this so that our soil doesn't dry up very easily. And then simple and easy, guys. Simple and easy. So I'm going to finish up this section here, guys, and then after that I will show you an overview of how this looks after I finish the section, and then we will see what we will do thereafter. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, as you see, we are back. We are done with the section, guys. They don't have to be beautiful, guys, they just have to be mulched. Very simple, quick, nice and easy, very fast, guys. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do this, guys. So after watering here, you will see, guys, your spinaches will grow very nice and beautiful. I have no doubts about this, guys. Okay, let's go through it. So we have planted our little rape here. It has to come back. If it doesn't, we'll transplant a new one. And then what is left is to see how this mulch will help our spinaches to grow further. Okay, guys, let's see what we can mulch again. Okay, guys, we are back on this switch charts here. So what we have to do here is mulch this whole box here, guys, and see if our spinaches will progress any further. And then we will show you a video when we harvest these beautiful spinaches. We do the same method, guys. Still the same. Still the same, guys. Now this mulch, guys, really helps a lot, guys. So like I said, guys, when it's a very hot sunny day and you're a little bit late to water your plants or in your garden, you don't have to worry if you have applied mulch. You can easily have patience and wait for the sun to settle down, because your mulch is also helping your spinaches to preserve a little water, so that when you are not able to water, your spinaches will not die. As you can see, guys, be careful, don't break your spinaches. This is food, guys. Now, when I found these grass clippings, guys, I was with my friend. So he's also a gardener, guys. He's also a gardener. So he's the one who showed me this once, guys, and he took some for himself. So I decided that I'm going to show you how I do these things, guys. Whoa, we almost broke this one, but we didn't. Like I said, guys, be careful, don't break your spinaches. So what I'm going to do right here, guys, is to finish everything off, and then I will show you when it's done how I did it. Okay, guys, see you real soon. Okay, guys, we are back. As you can see, guys, I have finished mulching this lovely Swiss chard spinaches with my grass clipping mulch. My advice to you guys is to make sure that your spinaches don't get torn apart when they grow up by these grass clippings, guys. So what you do here is open a narrow way for new leaves, so that when they come or when they grow, they don't get torn apart. Okay? You open a narrow path, and then after that, the spinaches will be growing nice and beautiful. No hesitation, guys. No hesitation. Very nice, clean and beautiful, guys. Okay? Believe in yourself, guys. There's much to learn here. Big at kitchen garden, guys. Big at kitchen garden. Thank you very much once again, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big at Kitchen Garden, for more information, for new updates, for more tips and tricks, how to plant and harvest your spinaches, how to make them grow, how to make your spinaches to be healthy. As you can see, guys, very quick and very fast, guys. There's a lot of work I have to do back here, guys. As you can see, these kale spinaches haven't been mulched. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have mulched our kale spinach. Very quick and very fast, guys. As I said, it's a quick process, but you have to work very carefully. Our kale spinach, guys. Very nice and neat. Simple and very quick. This is our Swiss chard, guys, from earlier on. And to close off our video, the sacks that we mulched first, guys.